So we start with exercise 9C, and this is page number 129, question 2. These are all basic questions which I have already discussed. Matrix A is available, B is available. How do we go about? So matrix A multiply by matrix B. I am sure this students can manage by themselves. Same way for BA, we have to find B first and then A first. Let's do A into I. How do we find the matrix A into I? Okay, so that is the third part. A into I would be matrix A, that is 0, 2, 5, minus 2. And I, as you know, is nothing but identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. So we will multiply it with 1, 0, 0, 1. For your information, my dear friends, tell me 5 into 1 will result into how much? 5. 7 into 1, 7. 8 into 1, 8. Same way, any matrix when multiplied with I, it will result in the same matrix. In other words, if A square is multiplied with I is a matrix, I matrix, answer would be A square. AB multiplied with I, answer would be AB. PQ multiplied with I matrix, answer would be PQ. I is a matrix which is a unit matrix. When multiplied with any matrix, the resultant matrix would be the same one which is getting multiplied with I. So if you have A cube multiplied with I, my result would yet remain A cube. Of course, what we have done is a mental calculation. Orally we have done it, but we have to show that working definitely over here. But before you start, you will surely know the answer of this question. Since I know that A into I would remain A only, so when I actually multiply them, my answer, final answer I know is going to be this only. But let us try and see if that is happening or not. What is the order? 2 into 2. What about this order? 2 into 2. Is it possible? Yes, sir. 0 into 1, 0 plus 2 into 0, 0. Absolutely. Again start with the same row and the next one. 0 into 0, 0 plus 2 into 1, 2. Absolutely right. First row is done. Move on to the next row. 5 into 1, 5. Multiply by minus 2 into 0. That's 0. 5 into 0, 0 plus minus 2 into 1, minus 2. So finally, my dear friends, have a look. 0 into 1, 0. 2 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 2 into 1, 2. 5 into 1, 5. Minus 2 into 0, 0. 5 into 0, 0. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. 0, 2. 5 minus 2. Have a look. 0 to 5 minus 2. Isn't it the same? Yes. The rule applied is absolutely the same. Next one. A square. My dear friends, we just did before some time how to find the matrix A square. You need to multiply matrix A into matrix A to derive the value of A square. The next one is B square into A. Now how do we go about B square into A? Because 3 matrices are involved. So we are not going to do all 3 together. What we are going to do is B square into A. So the first thing is I will find out B square. How much is B square? For finding B square, we will substitute the value of matrix B. 3, 2, 1, minus 1, 3 and 2. Can we do this multiplication? So 2 into 2, 2 into 2, some multiplication is absolutely possible. 1 ones are 1. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Plus, minus 1 into 2, minus 2. 3 into 1, 3. Plus, 2 into 3, 6. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Plus, 2 into 2 is 4. So, we got the value of matrix B square. Minus 2 minus 3, 9 and 1. What we have to find? B square A. What do we do? Sir, B square A would be put the matrix B square and put the matrix A. Do you have the value of matrix B square? Yes sir, we just found out. So let us substitute the value of matrix B square. And how much is that? Minus 2, minus 3, 9 and 1. Do you have the value of matrix A? Of course sir. 0, 2, 0, 2, 5 and minus 2. 5 and minus 2. If you see now, multiplication becomes very simple. Minus 2 into 0, 0. Minus 3 into 5, minus 15. Absolutely. Minus 2 into 2, minus 4. Minus 3 into minus 2, that is 6. 9 into 0, 0. Plus 1 into 5, 5. 9 into 2, 18. Plus 1 into minus 2, that's minus 2. So, what is the ultimate outcome? 0 minus 15, that's minus 15. Minus 4 plus 6, 2. 0 plus 5, 5. 18 minus 2, 16. This is the final answer. So my dear friends, any type of multiplication, let it be a square, a cube, a into I, b into I into b, is possible only if you follow the rules of the multiplication. By now, after doing so many questions on multiplication, I am sure you are familiar with it, but still we will try few questions which seems to be little different from what we are doing. They are not different in the sense they appearance wise look to be different, so we need to interpret them sharply so that we can get a desired solution. Now have a look at this question. Question number 3. What it says? Matrix A is given, B is also available, and then they say that A square, matrix A square equals to B. So since A is available, A square is equals to B. Let us put matrix A square in perspective of B. So that will be 3x 0 1, 3x 0 1. Matrix B 9, 16, 0 and minus. We know the rules of multiplication should not be bothering us at all. A square, so we need to find out A square equals to B. So I am writing the value of matrix B. Let it be like that. Let us start. 3 into 3, 9 plus x into 0, 0. Again 3 into x, 3x. 3 into x, 3x plus x into 1. That's x. 0 into 3, 0 plus 1 into 0, that's 0. 0 into x, 0 plus 1 into 1, 1. So 9, 4x, 0, 1 can be equated to 9, 16, 0 and minus 3. Why? So when you equate them, you can check it. 9 equals to 9. That means 4x equals to 16, the corresponding position. Therefore, x will be 4. Fantastic. 0 is equal to 0 and 1 equals to minus 5. Therefore, y would be minus 1. Isn't it simple, my dear friends? We have to find the value of x and y, and we have done it so simply. Simply outstanding, isn't it? Now have a look at this question. The next question. Of course, the order looks little away. Nevertheless, they are a very simple question. What is the order of this matrix? This is question number 4, first part. So the order is 2 into 2. Alright. And what is the order of this matrix? Sir, it is a single column matrix. So the order is, sir, 2 rows and 1 column. That is 2 multiplied by 1. So, you know the answer. That means matrix multiplication is possible for the simple reason that these two are equal. and the resulting matrix will have 2 rows and 1 column. Oh, that means the resulting matrix will also be a column matrix. Yes, yes. So let's go ahead. When we actually multiply, product of this will come in this matrix equals to y and 8. Now how do we do the multiplication? The first row has to multiply with this. So 4 into 5, that's 20, plus 3x into 1, that is 3x. Fantastic. This row into this column is done. We want to move on to the next row. This is the next row. 5 into x, that's 5x. Minus 2 into 1, that's minus 2. Now, here also, this is a row matrix. This is a column matrix. This is also a column matrix. On comparison, you can say 20 plus 3x, 20 plus 3x equals to y. And the next one, 5x minus 2 equals to 8. Since this equation involves 2 variables, let me solve this one. So 5x would be equals to 10, therefore x equals to 2. Since the value of x is obtained, put x equals to 2 in equation 1, that is this one. Alright, so when I do so, 20 plus 3 into 2 will give you y. 20 plus 3 2s are 6 equals to y. Therefore, y equals to 26. So the question wasn't difficult at all. We knew that multiplication is possible. Y 2 into 2. So the resulting matrix will have 2 row and 1 column. 2 row and 1 column. How it happened? So 4 into 5 plus 3x into 1. So 4 into 5 is 20 plus 3x into 1 is 3x. Row, column, all over, this is done. Move on to the next one. We are starting with the next row. X into 5 plus minus 2 into 1. So 5x minus 2, 5x minus 2. Done. Equals to, of course, two matrices which are equal. That means each and every element of the matrix and their position will also be equal. So this position is certainly equal to this position. 20 plus 3x equal to y. 5x minus 2, 5x minus 2 equal to 8. This equality is registered. We can solve this very easily. We found the value of x, which is 2, and we substituted the value of x equals to 2 in this to obtain the value of y. With this, the value of x and y is evident. I'm sorry. Let's move on to the next question. The next question is again of the same type but little simpler than the one we did over here. What is the order? The order is 2 into 2, and this order is also 2 into 2. Let us multiply. X into 1 is x plus x into 1, 0 into 0, 0. This row into this column, this row into next column. X into 1, x plus 0 into y, 0. So x into 1, 0 into 0, x into 1, 0 into y. Done. This row is dead forever. Now this one. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3. Plus 1 into 0, that's 0. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3. Plus y into 1, that is 1. Is equal to 2, 2, minus 3, minus 2. On comparison, this matrix is x, x, minus 3 plus y can be equated to 2, 2, minus 3 and minus 2. Now my dear friends, whether you compare this x or this x, the answer is going to be the same. That is x equals to 2, 2, minus 3, and over here minus 3 plus y equals to minus 2. I'm sure you can solve it very easily. Y will be equal to, this will get shifted on that side, minus 2 plus 3, y equals to. Isn't it easy, my dear friends? Now onwards, whatever question that we'll be doing, they'll be more simpler than this. Let's move on to the next one. Let us start with question number 5. My dear friend, sorry to interrupt you, but then I would like to discuss one thing with you, that every time when we get a similar type of question with respect to multiplication, I will provide you hints to the solution so that we can cover up more varieties of questions. And you must religiously, honestly make an attempt to solve those questions, because one thing is clear: if you are very sure about your multiplication, then if you can handle that easily, then I can guarantee you, you will become master at handling matrices for sure. Have a look at this question. They say matrix A, B, C is given to us, and they want A, B, first matrix A, B, and that multiplied with C. So remember, matrix is all about order. We cannot disrupt the order, we cannot modify the order, we cannot change the order, we have to follow the order. So first let us find out matrix AB. So I am finding matrix AB. AB would mean A multiplied by B. That is 1, 3, 2, 4. Getting multiplied with 1, 2, 4, 3. So when we do multiplication, 1 into 1, 1 plus 3 into 4, 12. 1 into 2, 2 plus 3 into 3, 9. By now I am very sure, even you must have developed the speed of doing it so accurately with efficiency. 2, second row. 2 into 1, 2 plus 4 into 4, 16. 2 into 2, 4 plus 4 3s are 12. So when you find out, I am ready with my matrix AB, which is 13, 11, 18 and 16. What is the desired part? We have to find AB into C. So we want matrix AB and matrix C. Do we have matrix AB? So we just found out matrix AB. Please substitute 13, 11, 18 and 16. What about matrix C? 4, 3, 1 and 2. Can we multiply them? Of course. Is the order allowing it? 2 into 2, 2 into 2? Very much. 13 4s are 52 plus 11 into 1, 11. Again 13 into 3, 39 plus 11 into 2, 22. This row into this column, this row into this column, done. Now this one. 18 4s are 18, 36, 72 plus 16 into 1, 16. 18 3s are 54 plus 16 2s are 32. Now when you do this, 52 plus 11, 63. 39 plus 22, 41, 51, 61. 72 plus 18, 88. 54 plus 32, that makes it 86. So we found out matrix AB into C. Same way, my dear friends, we can find out matrix A into BC. Now while doing so, what care one must take? The care that you need to take is the order. The order is A into BC. So first find out BC. Matrix B multiplied by matrix C. Matrix B is 1, 2, 4, 3. Matrix C 4, 3, 1, 2. Again and again we are doing a monotonous job of multiplication. Every time when we do multiplication, we grow stronger with performance, with speed, with accuracy as well. So 1 into 4, 4 plus 2 1s are 2. 1 into 3, 3 plus 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16 plus 3. 4 3s are 12 plus 3 2s are 6. So my dear friends, can we add this? 6, 7, 19, 18. I have only found out BC. What we are interested in finding out? Sir, we are interested in finding out A multiplied by BC. So we'll have to work out how much is A multiplied by BC. Let us do A multiplied by BC. So I will use this space for finding out A multiplied by BC. So A multiplied by BC would mean matrix A into matrix BC. Do I have matrix A? The answer is, of course, yes. We have matrix A. Where is matrix A? Oh, we just rubbed it out, sir. So we need to find out from the textbook what is matrix A. So my matrix A is 1, 3, 2 and 4. What about matrix BC? We already found out 6, 7, 19 and 18. So can you multiply this? Of course, sir. 6 into 1, 1 into 6, 6 plus 3 into 19, 57. Again, 1 into 7, 7 plus 3 into 18, that is 36, 54. 2 into 6, 12 plus 4 into 19, 86. 19 4s are 20, 76. After that, 2 into 14 plus 4 into it, 18, 36, 72. What do you get? Let us verify our calculation. 1 into 6, 6. 19 3s are 57. 1 into 7, 7. 18 3s are 54. 2 into 6, 12. 2 into 6, 12. 19 4s are 19, 38. 38, 38, 76. 2 into 14, 72. 63. 61. 88. 86. So, is A into BC, which is this, A into BC, equals to AB into C? This is AB into C. 63, 63, 61, 61, 88, 88, 86, 86. Now, if you go to C, this is nothing but A, B, C, same order, A, B, C. When you open this, this is also same order, A, B, C. And we can check it over here. The orders were same. The orders were same. Henceforth, the result is also the same. Had it been A into BC, is it equal to, is this matrix equal to BCA? Then I can't say, we'll have to find out and see, but I can tell you for sure, ABC will not be equal to BCA as far as matrix is concerned. Alright, so what is more important and relevant is make sure that the order of the matrix. So we found out and we said that yes, yes, is this equal to? Yes. And what is the equality? These two matrices. So I hope things are very, very clear so far. And matrix multiplication has been something new which you have learnt it properly. Based on the same thing, let us do question number 6. Here, first time we are going out of the order grid of 2 into 2. Now, why I need to discuss this question is because of the change in the order. Now here if you go to see A, my matrix A has got 1, 2. So 2 rows and how many columns? 3 columns. So the order is 2 into 3. As far as B is concerned, first row, second row, third row. So there are 3 rows and 2 columns. We are familiar with the order. They are asking us, see in case if it is possible to find AB. AB, I'll place A, I'll place B. Before I place them, let me check what is the order. 2 into 3. That is the order of A. What about the order of the B? So it is 3 into 2. Wow! Because these two are same, therefore matrix multiplication is possible. Oh, fabulous. So let's do. I'm very excited to do this question because for the first time we'll be doing it. 0, 4, 6. 3, 0, minus 1. What about B? Apparently For the first time, we got such looks of the matrix. So, multiplication is possible. It also tells us what will be the resulting matrix. Resulting matrix का order क्या होगा, that you can find out by multiplying this two. That means the order has to be 2 into 2. I will not try and manipulate anything. We will go just with the flow and see what happens. You know that a particular element is derived when one full row gets completely multiplied by the column, that too with their corresponding elements. So let us see. Start with this. 0 into 0, 0. आगे जाओ. 4 into minus 1, minus 4. Go ahead. 6 into this, minus 13. So this row corresponding to this column. Row into column. Done. Again the same row, but the next column. 0 into 1, 0. 4 into 2, 8. 6 into minus 6, minus 36. Great. This row into this column, done. This row into this column, done. Nothing further. Come down. So I'll come down. 3 into 0, 0. 0 into minus 1, again 0. Minus 1 into minus 5, plus 5. Same rule. This column. 3 into 1, 3. 0 into 2, 0. Minus 1 into minus 6, 6. So my AB would be minus 34. 8 minus 36 is minus 28. 5 and 9. Is AB possible? Yes, possible. What is the value? This is the value. Is BA possible? Let us check if BA is possible or not. What is the order of B? See, the order of B is 3 into 2. What is the order of A? Order of A is 2 into 3. Wow! Again they are matching. These two are matching. So it is possible. Can you place the value of B matrix? 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 5, minus 6. I'll place it over here. 3 into 2 and 2 into 3. They both are same. What about matrix A? 0, 4, 6, 3, 0, minus 1. Can we multiply? Of course they should. The resulting matrix will have 3 into 3 order. First time you will be seeing 3 into 3 order. First row, first column. 0 into 0, 0. Plus 1 into 3, 3. Done. First row, done. Again the first row with the second. 0 into 4, 0. Plus 1 into 0, 0. Done. Again first row, the next one. 0 into 6, 0. Plus 1 into minus 1, minus 1. First row expires forever. First row with this, first row with this, first row with this. So first row is over. Let's move on to the next. Minus 1 into 0, 0. 2 into 3, 6. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4. 2 into 0, 0. Minus 1 into 6, minus 6. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Second row is also done. Move on to the next. Third. Minus 5 into 0, 0. Minus 6 into minus 18. Minus 5 into this, minus 20. Plus 0. Minus 5, minus 30. 6. Yes, you have learnt it. You got an art of doing it so well. 3, 0, minus 1, 6, minus 4, minus 8, minus 18, minus 20, minus 24. Of course, matrix is a very simple chapter, but at the same time, if you indiscipline yourself, if you do any calculation error, then you'll have to really pay a very heavy price for it. From examination perspective, one must know that matrix will have a weightage of approximately 6 marks. Now you get 6 marks just for doing multiplication, addition and subtraction. We don't have much novelty to offer in this chapter. Most of the questions are related to addition, subtraction, multiplication. We don't even have a division also. So the entire chapter can actually be completed in less than 2 hours. Entire chapter. And if you want to understand principally, it may not even take 15 minutes, because most important aspect of the chapter is matrix multiplication. Once you know how to adjust your grid well, of course, the grid operation is the order operation, then things become so simple. See now, the third part of the question is find a square. What is a square? So a square would be a into a. So let us see the order of a. What is the order of a? 2 into 3. What is the order of a? 2 into 3. Oh, a square does not exist. Why it does not exist? Number of column of a is not equal to number of, yes, rows of a. Number of column of a is not equal to number of row of a. Therefore, a square does not exist. That's it. So simple. They cannot multiply. And we have already discussed about the same property. This was question number 6. Let's move on to question number 7. Let us have a look at question number 7. Matrix A, B, C, all are given to us. Can we find a square? Yes, sir. We can find a square. Matrix A multiplied by matrix A. Fine. Can you find AC? Yes, sir. Matrix A multiplied by matrix C. So we can find that. Can you find 5B? Of course, sir. 5 will be 5 multiplied by matrix B. After finding this matrix, this one, please arrange A square minus AC minus 5B. And of course, you will get one single matrix. I am sure if you follow this, we have already discussed how to find out A to A square. We already discussed how to find the product of two matrices. Done. This is a multiplication of a constant with the matrix. All elements of B will get multiplied by 5. Since you have values of all these three things, substitute and get the desired result. So we will not be putting our time in this question. Let us move on to the next question. The next question is A is given to us, B is given to us. They are asking us to find out the value of A plus B square. So let us find out A plus B. My A plus B would be normal A plus B, addition of the matrix 1, 4, 1 minus 3. 1, 4, 1 minus 3. B is 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1. Can we add them? Of course, sir. 1 plus 1, 2, 4 plus 2, 6, 1 minus 1, 0, minus 3, minus 1, minus 4. So I got the value of A plus B matrix. What do I need actually? I need A plus B square. How do you find the square of any matrix? Sir, it will be A plus B multiplied by A plus B. Exactly how you find A square? A into A. Same way A plus B into A plus B. So you can easily find out the value. 2, 6, 0, minus 4. 2, 6, 0 and minus 4. So we will find the value of A plus B square. 2 into 2, 4. 6 into 0, 0. 2 into 6, 12. Minus 6 4s are 24. 0 into 2, 0. Plus 0. Since we are very familiar with multiplication, so I will be operating a little faster with respect to multiplication. 0 into 6, 0. Minus 4 becomes plus 16. So you get your answer as 4 minus 12, 0 and 16. So first part, A plus B the whole square is obtained. Yes sir, it is obtained. Second part, they are asking us to find the value of A square plus B square. I am not going to do this part for a simple reason that you know how to find out the value of A square. How do we go about? Sir, A square would be matrix A multiplied with matrix A. Absolutely right. B square would be matrix B should be multiplied with matrix B. So this you get A square, here you get B square. Can we add them? Of course, sir. So A square matrix plus B square matrix would be addition of the first matrix and the second matrix, and then you can get the value of A square and B square. I already found for you A plus B the whole square. Now you have to find out what is the value of A square, then find out the value of B square. Please add them and find out A square plus B square. If the result of A square plus B square, whatever you get, is same as this, that means A plus B square is equal to A square plus B square in matrix terms. If these two are not same, then please do write they are not equal. So I hope question number 11 is done. Move on to the next question. They have given to us A, B, C. Focus on this. I have to prove that this is equal to this. Please don't indulge in opening up the brackets and all. We have to prove it with the help of matrix. How do we go on? A into B plus C. So first please find out B plus C is how much. Matrix B plus C would be B plus C. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. That's matrix B. Matrix C is 1, 4, 0 and 2. So here we go. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 4 plus 0, 4, 1 plus 2. We got B plus C. Wow. So my dear friends, we found out the value of B plus C. What we want is A multiply by B plus C. Order is very important. So A multiply by B plus C would mean matrix A and matrix B plus C. So do you have the value of matrix A? Yes, sir. Matrix A is available, yeah. How much? 2, 1, 0, 0. Matrix B plus C is available, yes sir, we found out. 3, 7, 4, 3. 3, 7. Can we multiply them? Yes sir, order is same, we can multiply. 2 into 2, 2 into 2. So 2 into 3, 6 plus 4, 14 plus 3, 0 plus 0, and again 0 plus 0. That will give me matrix 10, 17, 0 and 0. This is the matrix, the first part of the question. We have to find out now AB and AC. So how do we find AB? I am sure you guys know how to find AB. How to find AC? Sir, we know how to find AC also. Can you find AB plus AC? Yes sir, we can find AB plus AC. Sir, can you please show me how to find AB one more time? No problem. 2, 1, 0, 0, that is your A. 2, 3, 4, 1, that is your B. So my AB is going to be 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 4, 4. This into this. 2 into 3, 6 plus this into this is done. This into this. 2 into 3, 6 plus 1 into 1, 1. 0 into this, 0, 0, 0 into this, 0, 0. So we get the value of our matrix AB as 8, 7, 0, 0. Similarly, you can find out AC. You can add both the matrix and then you can check if both are same or they are not same. My evaluation says it will be the same, and that is how we can do the question. Move on to the next one. The next one is question number 16. Now, have a look at question number 16. Question number 16 is not difficult, but then they are asking variables which are involved in question number 16. That means, if you see, the value of x and y is not given, and we have to find those values. Question has been pre-arranged. This matrix into this matrix plus 3 times this matrix is equal to this matrix. Let us see if this multiplication is possible. 2 into 2, over here 2 row and 1 single column. These two are same, so possible. The resulting matrix will have 2 rows and 1 column. So first let us do that. Minus 2 into 1 minus 2 plus 0 into this is 0. So this into this is done. Down. Next 3 into 1 3 plus 1 into minus 2x minus 2x. Done. Plus, can we insert this 3 inside? Minus 6 3 equals 2. Can we insert this 2 inside? 2y and 2 into 3 6. Addition of the matrix, they are of the same order, of course, yes. Minus 2 3 minus 2x plus minus 6 and 3 equals to 2y. Can we add them? Minus 2 plus minus 8. 3 minus 2x plus 3. 6 minus 2x equals to 2y and 6. Now equality. Minus 8 equals to 2y. Therefore y equals to minus 4. 6 minus 2x equals to 6. 6 cancels, minus 2x equals to 0, therefore x equals to 0. Isn't it easy, my dear friends? Only thing that you need to know is matrix multiplication. Have a look at this question. Question number 12. It is very simple, you don't have to do anything. We have to find the value of a. So b square equals to b plus a upon 2. Can we take the LCM? Of course, sir. B square equals to 2b plus a upon 2. This 2 will go here. 2b square equals to 2b plus a. You have to find the matrix A. Matrix A is nothing but 2b square plus this 2b will shift it on that side. So 2. You know how to find the value of b square? Of course, sir. B square will be b into b. Whatever matrix you get, you can substitute over here. B square matrix minus 2. Whatever matrix you get, again you can substitute over here. But we already have matrix B, so just put this value. So now it becomes a simple calculation of subtraction. With this, question number 12 also comes to an end. Let's move on to the next one. Value of matrix A provided to us. We have to find the product of A minus 2i, A minus 3i. So A minus 2i would mean matrix A 4, 2, 1, 1 minus 2 matrix I means 1, 0, 0, 1. Can we find this matrix? Of course, sir. How do we do that? 4, 2, 1, 1. This will be 2, 0, 0, 2. So the answer will be 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 0, 2. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 2, minus 1. This is A minus 2i. Similarly, we can find A minus 3i. So A minus 3i would mean matrix A 4, 2, 1, 1 minus 3i. 3i would mean 3, 0, 0, 3. Can we do the subtraction now? 4 minus 3, 1. 2 minus 0, 2. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 3, minus 2. I want to find out the product of these two matrices. A minus 2i, A minus 3i will be equal to product of these two matrices. Do I have A minus 2i? Substitute. 2, 2, 1 and minus 1. A minus 3i, 1, 2, 1 and minus 2. I am sure you can do the multiplication job very simple. Have a look at question number 27. Question number 27, again, little different from the usual question. A 2, 1, minus 1. 0, 1, minus 2. What is asked to us? They are asking us a raised to t means transpose of a. What is a transpose of a? Sir, the rows should be interchanged with columns. So the row is 2, 1, minus 1, that becomes column 2, 1, minus 1. The second row is 0, 1, minus 2, so that becomes column minus 2. Now apply the rules of multiplication. I want transpose of A into A. Check if it is possible or not possible. So once we will list down 2, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, minus 2. How many rows? Sir, 3 rows. How many columns? 2 columns. A, matrix A. Matrix A is 2, 1, minus 1. 0, 1, minus 2. What is the order of the matrix? Sir, 2 into 3. These two are same. Therefore, multiplication is possible. We have already done a multiplication on the matrix of the same type. I can give you a reference to the question where we have done. It is question number, 9C, question number that we have done. Yes, it is question number 6. We have done with respect to question number 6, same type, question number 6. Though I will show you how to perform the multiplication, nevertheless. So as we know that these two are same, so the resulting matrix will have 3 by 3 order. How to go about for 3 by 3 order? Please have a look over here. Please concentrate. This row into this column. 2 into 2, 4, plus 0 into 0, 0. Further, 2 into 1, 2, 0 into 1, 0. 2 into minus 1, minus 2, plus 0 into this, 0. So this row done, this row done, this row and this column done. We are shifting to the next row. So go down. 1 into 2, 2, plus 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1, plus 1 into 1, 1. This done. This row, this column done. This row, next column done. This row, third column is left. Minus 1, minus 2. The next row, that is the last row. So move on to the last one. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2, plus 0. Minus 1, minus 2, 1, plus 4. So ultimately what we get, 4, 2, minus 2, 2, 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 3, 5. Yes, my dear friends, that's it. All done. They want to find out whether LHS equals to RHS. So let's start with LHS, which says 6m minus m squared. Now we don't know the value of m squared. So what will be m squared? Say m squared will be matrix M multiplied by matrix M. Perfect. Agree on that. Do you have the value of matrix M? Of course, we have the value of matrix M. Let us substitute. 4, 1, minus 1, 2, 4, 1, minus 1 and 2. When we multiply, 4 4s are 16 minus 1, that is 15. 4 1s are 4 plus 2, 6. Minus 4 minus 2, minus 6. Minus 1 plus 4, minus 1 plus 4, 3. Of course, I was a bit fast in doing this calculation, but then we have been doing this calculation for the past so many questions. By now you should be fluent at doing all these things. Now if you find out your LHS, it would mean 6 into m. What is the value of m? 4, 1, minus 1 and 2. Minus m square. Can you please tell me the value of m square? Yes sir. 15, 6, minus 6 and 3. Absolutely. Further, how to go about? Can I erase this? Of course, you already got the value of this. How it will look? Sir, it will mean 24, 6, minus 6, 12, minus 15, 6, minus 6 and 3. So when we solve it, 24 minus 15, 9, 0, 0, 9. Okay. This is your LHS. What about RHS? So RHS is 9i, which would be 9 into identity matrix. That would be 9, 0, 0. So we got the value for both. But we can see that LHS equals to RHS. Hence, so my dear friends, these are the most easiest question. There is only one type of question which I have not done with you. That is a type of question where we have to derive and find the matrix. Something like, for example, they may say matrix A into B is matrix B. Matrix A multiplied by matrix B will give you matrix B. This matrix given to us, this matrix given to us, this matrix is not given to us. Now how to find? Only that type of question is left. Rest all the questions are done.